Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. I ordered from Dakota Stones last week, so a week ago yesterday, so last Monday I think, and they got my order right in the mail right away. It was actually from one of their live shows on Facebook. You can order just from their website too, but this was a live show on their Facebook. But after that, the drama ensued. My post office marked it as delivered on Thursday of last week, but when I went to my mailbox, which is in a cluster, all of the homes here have mailboxes in a cluster, and it's a locked box and my box wasn't in there. So I contacted Dakota Stones. They were really helpful. They were just like, hey, just check with your post office. Usually they have GPS. They'll tell you where they scanned it. Let us know if you don't hear back. Well, I at the same time put in a request, or not a complaint, I can't think of the word I'm thinking of, but that the post office look into it online, and I got some emails from them. They called me on Saturday. They still hadn't delivered it by Saturday. They said, if you don't have it by Monday, call us back. So I called back Monday because they didn't deliver it. And then they said, call back tomorrow. So I called back today and I got to talk to a supervisor. They were so nice, which is not usually what you think of from the post office. She's like, you know what? I'm going to have the carrier go back and check. Let me call you back in 15 minutes. I said, okay. She called me back in like 10 minutes. She said, the carrier should be bringing it to your front door. And he had just literally knocked and left it on my front door. I don't know where they found it. The box was completely faded. So it must have been in the sun. Like, I think they delivered it to the wrong box. Somebody put it on top of the mailbox, not the one that mine is in, and just sat there for a few days. I should have driven around the neighborhood looking at boxes. But either way, I'm so happy it came, because I was going to be super bummed that my first official order from Dakota Stones didn't come, and I got some stuff that's like not out of my comfort zone, but stuff that I normally wouldn't get. So I have a packing slip somewhere around here, but who knows where it is. Let me open this up. I only got a few items, but it was all, they had a warehouse show. They have shows every Monday, but this one had more items. It was like 3 hours long, and I was doing other stuff while I was watching, because I have not been able to get into live shows, because my attention span isn't there for live shows. I can't do it. So Nina has live shows all the time. Can't watch them because I just cannot hang in there for those. So anyway, the first thing I said, yes, please send that to me, were these kyanite, green kyanite, the strand. Let's see, it was 15 to 16 inch strand of green kyanite, top drill graduated, 5 to 25 millimeter sticks. So I don't think I have any kyanite. I certainly haven't bought any knowing that it was kyanite, but this was one of the things that Julie was actually looking for in Tucson. I don't think she bought any in Tucson, but I had only seen blue before she started talking about green, and I just saw these the day after we came back, and I was like, okay, those have to come to Mama. These are gonna make a really pretty necklace. Yes, it's a very nice strand. I'm not gonna use the whole thing in one necklace. I would use them as accent beads, because, you know, I just don't want to use the whole thing. Goldie's in the background coughing. So look at those. I'm going to scooch in, see if we can see a little bit more of the detail on those. These are nice. I'll have to look up the properties of kyanite, because I don't really know the properties of a lot of stones. But I love the inclusions in there. I love that bright green. It's so yummy. Okay, so moving on. There aren't that many things in this haul. The second thing I bought were Sunstone tumbled 8 to 10 by 12 millimeter nuggets, 15 to 16 inch strand. So these are Sunstone. I'm seeing if I can find the flash in there. Usually there's some kind of flash in Sunstone. Yeah, there's a little bit. They're not the flashiest, but I just thought they were nice accent beads again. Oh yeah, see the flash there. How do we like the new board? I've been using this. I bought this board. It's a tray from Walmart, and it's really pretty, and I just think it looks really nice behind the beads. So let me know if you like the new board. I kind of like the sound of the beads on the board too. I don't know that I'll make jewelry on it, but I think it's better for bead videos. So yeah, I'm liking the flash. Look at this guy. He's got some flash in there. All right, so there's the sunstone. Next was this donut. I know I have a ton of donuts. I probably even have a Dalmatian Jasper donut, but it was on sale. It was $3. All of this stuff was on sale. So I had to get it. Just thought it was pretty cool. I don't know if I have a Dalmatian Jasper donut, but now I do. It's 40 millimeters. I like how they mark everything when they send it to you. And then last but not least, I got this leaf strand. They had a strand of picture Jasper leaves and I just missed it. So I got put on their wait list if they get them back, but these are tiger eye leaves. And I actually, after I bought these, I was like, I think I have tiger eye leaves. And I think I still do. I haven't looked. I think I got them from Tracy's Distash at some point, but more is better. So these are really, really pretty. Again, I think everything I got today, I would use sparingly. I wouldn't use it like the whole strand in a piece. Although you absolutely could. You could just space these with another gemstone, metal, seed beads, whatever, and you'd have a really nice necklace that was just all tiger eye leaves. So there's the tiger's eye. There's the sunstone and the green kyanite. I know some of you aren't going to like the noise from the board, but I like it. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of you. As of right now, my giveaway, 6,000 subscriber giveaway is still open, so make sure you check that out. Let me know which one of these 4 things was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi. It's your gotcha day. I've had you for 1 year today. Yes. And so many people love you, Goldie. Yeah, everybody does. Oh, so cute. Everybody loves you. Say hi, everybody. Hello. Get that cute little nose. I'm gonna boop your nose. Oh, I guess not. Boop. I tried. Didn't work.